Hello, I'm Nadia MacLeod from RP Emery Legal Kits, and we help you cut your legal costs with our online template kits. A tenancy agreement sets out the landlord and tenant's rights and obligations, providing a solid foundation for an ongoing professional relationship. There are key terms in a lease agreement that help to prevent conflict between tenants and landlords. Many of these terms are already protected by law, even if you have a verbal lease in place. However, having them explicitly written helps avoid miscommunication and makes disputes easier to settle. Tenants have a right to quiet enjoyment without substantial interference from their landlord. This includes entering the premises without prior notice or shutting off utilities without consent. This right to quiet enjoyment is protected by common law. Most people are unaware of this right, so it is advisable to include it as an explicit term of the agreement. As long as they provide reasonable notice, however, landlords have a right to enter in order to make repairs, inspect the property, and show it to potential buyers. This right is also protected by law. In Victoria, for example, notice must be provided 7 days before entry and in writing, and the tenant cannot unreasonably refuse entry if this notice has been provided. Disputes can also arise between landlords and tenants when it is unclear who is responsible for the repair of the property. Urgent repairs include gas leaks, broken hot water systems, and other damage that make a home uninhabitable. A tenant must immediately inform of any need for urgent repair, and the landlord must respond as soon as reasonably possible. Non-urgent repairs result from ordinary wear and tear. A tenant should inform the landlord when first aware of such problems, but they are not responsible for the repair. Unless the tenant has caused the damage, it is the responsibility of the landlord to repair and maintain a property. By clearly stating the nature of urgent and non-urgent repairs, as well as outlining precise steps to seek repair, an agreement can become a tool for solving small problems before they become large disputes. Tenants must typically obtain consent from their landlord or real estate agent in order to make any permanent or semi-permanent changes to the property. This would include installing air conditioning, painting walls, or adding a new telephone line. Some states now allow minor changes, such as installing picture hooks. An agreement that explicitly outlines what a tenant may change without approval can save many headaches in the future. RP Emery offers Australian residential tenancy lease agreement templates which comply with the residential tenancy legislation for each state or territory. Visit the link below for more information.